We are live, November 7th, 2025. Let's get into the charts. Pre-market high 25,355.5. Midnight open 25,248.25. Pre-market low 25,060.5. Today is Friday. We are going to look for a reverse orb. So we're going to ignore the first 1 minute candle and then take the opposite position. We do have QQQ weakness on the pre-market. Other things though that I'm looking at: SNDK for the follow through. Aklo, shout out to Desley. We are also looking at this 110 level for a pop and fade. AMD, if I decide that it is also lagging and we can have some good risk reward, that's also good. It follows the QQQs. PLTR just got rejected off the all-time highs as well, so this is down. Tesla, I'm looking for, what am I looking for? Tesla in this channel, it kind of has like a flip. If it's strong one day, go short the next day, then go long the next day. So I'm looking for a long since it closed weak. So that's a potential idea. Let me have that here. Anything else? Shout out to Desi again. Circle on the downside, going to IPO low. So right here, I was looking at ELF back in April, but let's see. We're now retesting right here at 76. But let's work on SNDK at the moment. Loves to follow through, so let's get at the follow through. Let's see what it wants to do. Okay, we can wait the first 1 minute and then we can go for it. Pre-market is weak. This is not an elevated position kind of chart, so I'm okay with not forcing it. Let the trade come to me. If anything, I want to see what SanDisk does. Okay. And go. Okay. So I'm just doing. Okay, we're long for the reversal. All the way back up. Oh no, okay. Oh, what? What the heck was that? Nope. Oh man, that's close. Okay, yep, that's it. What happened on the last time it did that? It was green to the upside. I'm looking to see if Tesla can bounce. That's what I'm gonna decide on. Okay. Let's see where it wants to do here. We'll just go 100 shares. Following it to the downside. Okay, good. Let's close it there. Small win. Okay, and then let's reevaluate. QQQ is starting to bounce. I don't want to get caught. Yep, that's what I didn't want to see. Should I do another fade at 210? That's where I'm looking at. 210 is my second fade. I do want to fade again. This is abnormal. 215 is a good fade spot then. I'm waiting for it to hit the upper bands. Yeah, this should not be happening. SNDK should not be rocketing up like that. So I will fade the highs. As soon as it shows me some weakness, I can take the appropriate position. Yeah, this is not normal. $215, I can begin to look for some fading. And once I begin to see the first candle not making new highs, we can try again. Wow. So this 226, we can first start at 217. Let's see. Okay, let's see the close of this candle first. Then we can short it appropriately from the highs. QQQ is recovering. Yep, I'll allow it to rock it up. My next trade is the backside short for SNDK. We're gonna just wait for it to not make a new higher high. I'm okay with just having more risk on the table. So where is it now? The 218, so that's 200. Yeah, we can short 200. Okay, let's see what this candle does. Okay, if it makes a new higher high, we're not gonna take a look. When was the highs here? 945. Okay, we're almost there. Then backside short. what's key is that if it's gonna break here, 218.88 and broken. Okay, nope, still not gonna be in a position. We'll wait. The morning is still young. Am I mad I missed this move? No, not really, because this 930 candle was confusing. If anything, what makes sense now is to take the backside short, which is that. Will it do that though? So I just gotta be careful when it does do that to watch for the 20 SMA. Just make sure that we are obeying it. So this is a 10 point right here. Okay, yes. Go to all-time highs. Go to all-time highs so I can smack it on the downside. Okay, QQQ just finished its orb. Let's check if we wanna be in a direction. Oh, it's gonna come back down. Oh, what the heck? want to get smoked. No, I don't want to get. I don't want to do any of that. None of that. I think it wants to go up. Let's make a higher low, and then we can get some profits on that. Oof. I want it to just lift up a little bit arbitrarily again. $220 is what I'm looking for. Not in a rush. Not in a rush. Is 218 the higher low? No way. I'm just gonna keep watching this. Keep watching all my favorite tickers. Okay. Tesla, I'm expecting a bounce of Reno 36. So I'm gonna keep that up here. I just wanna make sure when we're bouncing it does that. Okay. I should see a slow upward trending. When does it really break? 60s. Okay. Where is it now? Okay, it's beginning to start. Yes, good. 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 Go to 120. Oh, QQQ strength. Let's see. Up you go. Up. Up. This is definitely early. I want to get out of this. Okay. What's the move? Let's see. Okay, let's see. Sellers? Okay. Now I'm interested. Okay, I want to see a lower low form, yeah. Yeah, still buyers are in control. Buyers are in control. I want to see more QQQ weakness. It's still going up. My 15-minute orb to the downside will got smoked, so we're just hanging out here. Still at that 220. 223. Okay. Keep going up. Mm. 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 224. Okay. Backside short is where the opportunity is at. Unless this is like a move that's continuously going to the upside, fine. Not gonna force it. We do have multiple levels for the QQQs for it to break. Okay, all-time highs here. All-time highs again. Some weak selling, but buyers were in control. Nope, you cannot short that left side of the V. I need one more 1 minute candle. capture the 2R move. That scared me a little bit. I want to go for 221. Let's see if it'll hit it. I think it would have. Yep. Damn, that shook me out. Yeah, 221. Let's see if it'll hit it. Yeah, got shooken out. Oh, that hurts. Yeah. I knew it. Yep, that hurts. You guys saw my thinking for that. Yeah, I was catching all this backslide move. I got faked out. Yep, like this one. Let's see if that fake out would have been anything. Nope. Damn it. Damn it. Still though, what an amazing week. Yeah, catching the backside move, knowing that this leg was not it, and just really hammering it in. Yeah, we basically caught this all the way. We caught it here. We caught half of it. Yeah. Guys, I'm feeling a little tired. I definitely don't want to overstay my welcome. We already made a good amount considering from I'm just looking back from all of the mistakes and struggles before. Oh man, wow, fully reversed. Yeah, more QQQ weakness. If anything, what I want to do right now is to long for Tesla. I really want the pattern to happen. Let's see if Tesla will let it. So yeah, let's see the trap. Okay, I want to see if Tesla hits that. Can it come back? Yeah, okay. Yeah, that should have been the move to exit, not cutting it short, not allowing the trade. Another backside for me. Will it go up and come back down for me? Let's see. This is already an $8 move. waiting for an abnormal spike. If it doesn't happen, no trade. Don't need to force it. Yep, just waiting for another backside opportunity to short. QQQs are still weak. I really want an expansion upward to the upper Bollinger Bands, and then we'll retrace back to the mean. If it can, right? If it can. Damn, Tesla's not pulling back. Okay, we'll give it some time. Wow. Circle bounced back as well. Okay. Oh yeah, let's see what happens. Oh yeah. You know, I thought I wanted to take a break, but if they are giving me another opportunity to smack it short, yeah, give me the layup. I'll take the layups. Waiting for SanDisk to come back up to its 228 highs, and we'll see if we can smack it back down. That being said, no need to get ahead of this thing. No need to predict or jump ahead and try to preemptively short. I'll wait for the backside. No, 225? Okay, we'll see. I don't think so, but it's gonna break 225. There's a lot of sellers. Yep, here's the break. A lot of buyers is gonna rip. Oh, sellers. Sellers. Oh, QQQ would disagree. Sellers. What a battle happening. 225. Okay, it faded the level. Perfect. Perfect. Come on, go up to all-time highs again so we can fade that level. Just waiting for the right candle to form, not this one. 1020. Let's see. Oh, if it's that level, then okay, we'll take it. It doesn't look like it, but yeah, we can wait for the next one. Yeah, no. of selling happening here, but the Qs are getting stronger, so we will not fade the move just yet. We'll wait for all-time highs. Yep, right. Right. 'That would have been the break if I were to have shorted it here and then wait for this one. Oh my gosh. $220, wow. Yeah, I really cannot tell what it wants to do. I guess this was the sign, right? Signs that it did not want to go up, but I don't want to pull the trigger. It wasn't the clearest read for me, but yeah, you could say, right? I thought I wanted to rip back up, then come back down. I wanted the ultimate pain candle. From this position, it looks like it wants to come down. It gave up all that move. Could you still be bullish? No, not really, because it's in the lower quadrant of the Bollinger Bands. Alright guys, gonna turn off the live stream. I'm gonna still be watching some SanDisk. See if it wants to give me another opportunity for taking it short. But other than that, guys, what a fantastic week. You've seen my trades. We did 3 today. And that's all it is, guys. It should be as boring as watching paint dry. Again, QQQs are testing this kind of intraday high. It already did a triple top. This is the 4th retest. Let's see. More often it tests it, the more the likelihood it will break. But you've also seen it rejections of kind of resistance zones. So that's what it is. Alright guys, closing up the live stream. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you guys on Monday.